Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Mercury credit card. Now I've been seeing so many people talk about this credit card. I see them talk about how they do not have an annual fee. And also I got a comment because I was talking to you guys about the Fortiva credit card. I got a comment about they got to start off with $1,500 limit. So that is really good. So I decided, let me go ahead and make this video for those that want to get additional credit cards. Now, I know I talked to you guys about that Fortiva credit card and I just said it now. I do not suggest people get this credit card because they have high fees on that credit card. But with this one, with the Mercury credit card, they have two options. So if you guys get a letter in the mail, and if you're not getting credit card offers in the mail, I'm going to show you how to get these offers in the mail. But if you guys get the offer in the mail, they're going to say that you can get a credit card with $0 annual fee or $79 annual fee. And usually it's going to be the annual fee is going to be the $0. That's what I see a lot of people is actually getting. But they're going to let you know about their cash back off option. Somebody said that they was able to get 1% cash back on this card. And somebody said too, they kept denying to actually sign up after they kept getting so many offers. And another offer they got offered them 2% cash back. So I don't know. Maybe if you hold out from them a little bit, they really want you to get that credit card, they'll keep sending you offers in the mail. But you guys, you should get an offer in the mail. I seen someone get approved with $2,000, so that's definitely good. If they're sending you that pre-approval in the mail, it's a great chance that you are going to get approved, and they're going to pull your TransUnion credit report too. So I always tell people, if you wanted to get this credit card, I'll say try to have like a 580 credit score, and they're going to pull your TransUnion credit report. Now, these are the fees. Your interest, your APR is going to be about 27% up to 29%. Basically, that's what you're going to have to pay for your APR, and it's the same thing for your balance transfer, cash advances. And I told you guys about a grace period. I was teaching you all about having a grace period. I didn't really say a grace period. I was just telling you all that if you don't pay your card off in full by your statement date, you're going to get charged interest on all of your transactions. So you can see too on this one, you got 23 days after the close of each billing period. So make sure that you are paying your credit card off. I say a few days before the actual bill is due, will pay off the statement balance. Don't just pay the minimum balance, or you guys are going to be paying a lot of money in interest. Now, let me show you how to get these offers in the mail if you're looking to get credit card offers like this. So what you're going to do is you want to go to Factor Trust. So when you go to the Factor Trust website, I'll make sure I have this below. What you want to do is you want to opt in and then click submit. And then you want to go ahead and put all the information in. Now, Factor Trust is like a smaller credit bureau. They probably already have your information. They like to report things to like payday loan stores, some car dealerships. They like to have a credit report for those companies. So usually from the car dealerships or payday loan companies, they'll pull your Factor Trust credit report. Now the thing is, sometimes we don't have our information updated in that system. So I want everybody to make sure that you're in the system by completing this form here, and then you may want to call them to verify that your information is up to date, because I'm pretty sure that you're probably already in the system. Now, you want to put your information into Factor Trust, because Factor Trust, they also send your information to credit card companies that send out offers for you to actually get pre-approved for these credit cards. That's why, if you guys, this credit card is going to be invitation only, and you're going to get your offer in the mail, and you want to respond to your mail offer. They have this on their website because they're sending out a letter to everybody. So all those, I don't know if you ever received them or not, but you're going to get a lot of offers in the mail from a lot of different credit card companies that's willing to give you credit cards. And definitely check out my other videos where you've seen that I actually open up those offers, and then I'm showing you what they look like inside. But you want to put your information in Factor Trust, and you want to also put your information into the opt-out pre-screen. So you want to actually opt in. So click here to opt in or opt out. Let's go all the way to the bottom. Click that. Opt in. We want to make sure that we're opting in. We do not want to opt out. Let's click continue. Okay, and then now you want to put your first and last name in, social security number, your date of birth, your address in with your phone number, and you want to go ahead and put whatever the security code in. Now, this is a thing when it comes down to putting information to these into factor trust or the opt out pre screen. I really want you guys to check and see what's on your Equifax credit report in terms of what's your actual address. I want you to go and check and see what's actually on that credit report, especially like your address, and make sure that you're putting that information into this form, because usually they're going to match your information up with the information that's on your Equifax credit report. So if you guys have that same information in, then you know you're going to start getting those offers right away. Usually you can get these offers for like the different type of credit cards, like the Mercury credit card, the Rickita credit card. They even have like the Discover credit card, Capital One credit card. You could start getting these offers in like a month. I usually say in about a month. Now, you can also do things called the shopping cart trick too, for those people that want to start getting these offers right away. That you have the option of store cards, and not just these cards here. You also have the store card option. But definitely check out my video on the shopping cart trick, because you guys can get credit cards that way. But you want to put your information into these two websites to even get any of those to actually work for you. And if you're trying to do the shopping cart trick, you only have to wait like 5 to 7 days. Some people can do it immediately and start getting credit card offers over the internet, like right now on their computer. But those are usually store cards. Appliance store I recently did, that's usually the credit card that you guys will be able to get. But if you guys want me to do a review on another credit card, definitely let me know. I'll definitely do that review for you. And I am going to open up my calendar, you guys. I don't know if you heard already, but I opened up my calendar. So if you want to schedule a call with me, definitely schedule that call with me so that we can go ahead and talk. But just make sure when you schedule your appointment, you are ready for that appointment, because it's going to be so many calls, you guys, and I want to make sure that I'm keeping up with them. So if you schedule an appointment, make sure that you are ready for that appointment. Now, if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. You can do that by just leaving me a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt, so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.